Welcome to Dacast. In this video, we'll show you how to create your video Expo gallery. Expo feature offers an immersive platform to showcase your videos and engage with your audience. Step 1. Create your Expo page. To begin, navigate to the Expo section from the left side menu of your dashboard. Click on the Create button located at the center or top right corner of the screen if you have an existing Expo. Enter a title for your Expo and click Create. You're now in your newly created Expo. Step 2. Adding videos to your Expo. Once your Expo page is created, you'll be redirected to the Content section. Here, you can select the video content you want to feature on your Expo page. You can create sections by clicking on the Add Section button. Give your section a name and start adding content by dragging and dropping them into place. Step 3. Customizing your Expo. Now it's time to customize your Expo. Click on the Editor button. You can find it in the top right menu and on the left panel. Here, you can edit various elements such as the layout, styles, and how your content is displayed. First, adjust the layout. In the header section, you can change the title and description, cover and logo, alignment, and the size of these elements. In the Featured section, you can select the content you want to be displayed first and the alignment. In the body, you will be able to choose if you want to display the content title and description, but also if you want a grid or carousel layout. In the Styles section, you can modify the background and text color, enable dark mode, and choose the font that suits your needs. Lastly, you can choose to display specific content and select the external links you want to share with your viewers. Preview your changes by clicking the View button and ensure everything looks perfect before proceeding. Step 4. Setting up monetization. Monetize your Expo by adding a paywall. Click on the Paywall button on the left panel to access paywall settings. Here, you can disable the paywall, set prices, create promos, and select a paywall theme. Customize pricing options and promos to offer discounts or free access to your audience. Step 5. Enhancing security and SEO. Ensure the security of your Expo by setting up features such as password protection, content scheduling, and geo-restriction. Optimize your Expo for search engines and social media by adding titles and descriptions containing relevant keywords. Step 6. Sharing your Expo. Once your Expo is ready, it's time to share it with your audience. Copy the share link and embed codes from the sharing section and distribute them via email, social media, or your website. Direct your audience to your Expo page where they can explore your curated video collection. If you have any questions, please contact our 24/7 support team or visit our knowledge base. For new customers, please book a demo with our sales specialists and sign up for a free 14-day trial to start streaming today.